So what is up YouTube? I hope all are doing fine. Okay, welcome to this video and let's start this video. Okay, so in this video I'm teaching you about how do you use WHO. So in the last video I taught you about how to use who am I, but it's not quite, it's like a light difference between how to use who am I and who. So who is nothing but it will display not only the user, it will display the date and time when you logged in, like that. Okay, who command is nothing but it will display about information about a user who are currently logged in the system, who are currently logged in. Okay. If I do you who, then it will display the what username and the time and date and the time, I guess. Yeah. Okay. If you use capital letter H, okay, it will display the additional information about what who about the user, like parrot, then line will be ttyl7 and the time and the comment, like there is no comment. Okay, let me say, what if you use underscore u. So underscore u will display the what amount of idle time the user each user, idle time of each user, that will be parrot, and idle time will be 411, like that. Okay, let's use -h also, so it will display the header. Yeah, this will be idle time. Okay, this is idle, like 1 minute, it's like 1 hour 33 minutes, sorry, 1 hour 33 minutes, not a 1 minute, it is a 1 hour 33 minutes the system has been running. Okay, if you use -r, so it will display the current what run level, it will display the current run level. I'll use h so that we'll get know the headers. It will display the run level 5, it is a 5 level, I guess. Yeah, it's a 5 level. Okay, if you need all the information, you can use -a, it will display the let me use h so that it will display the headers, so you'll get confused, what is this, what is this, what is that. Okay, it will display the name, that will be login, and it will display the username and the line and the time and the what and all idle, that will be 1 hour 33 minutes, and the process id. Okay, then command, like that. Okay, so if you need to use o with users also, you can use, or else you can use okay, like I mean, if you need to use to a specific user, let's say you are in a root directory, then you need to check parrot. It is not displaying, like if you need to use for a particular user, then you can use o command. You can see the help, so if you don't know how to use the who command, like see, if you use all, it will say display all the commands, and if you display b, that will display all the time for the boot, and it will display the dead processes, and it will display the lines of command headers, and it will display the login process and m for host name, and like that. It will display the active processes running, and it will display the login name and number of users if you use q. And r means it will display, I showed you, it will display the run level. And if you use s, it will display the name, line and time. If you use -t, that will display the last system clocks change. And if you use t, that will display the headers, as I showed you, message status. If you use -u, that will display the login times. That is what the use of these arguments. And if you use oo and version also, sorry, not like that. Yeah, it will display the version. oo is using 8.32.32, and these three people wrote the code for oo command. So that is all up, guys, and thank you for watching, thank you for having this much patience, and bye.